Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and now in the new greenhouse at last. So in this episode we're going to take another look at the garden transformation. So we'll be looking at the shingle that we put around the patio and around the greenhouse and the planters. We'll have a look at the planters that are now in situ. The compost bin is now in as well. I've tidied up all the mess and got rid of all the rubble so it doesn't look like a building site anymore. We've also added a feature in terms of the flower bed, so I put a new circle flower bed into the lawn to make a bit more of a feature. And the lights are up and the lights are in, and it is now starting to look like a proper garden. So as always, enjoy. Now that's the fourth planter in now for the veg, so I just need to move this mountain of soil, move some more already there, so just level that up. I'm going to put some bark chippings round, done the edge of the patio now, so we've got some lights in there and 3 perennials, a couple of nice pots, fuchsias and busy lizzies in, and the other one is over here. So we just now need to get the shingle for the edge starting to take shape now. So another little job done. Tomorrow is tidying up all this, and we'll get the compost bin in the corner. So another job for another day. Garden transformation taking place. So today's jobs: the compost bin now in situ. Just want some bark chippings now to put around the planters, put the raspberries in one of the planters, and just put a couple of perennials down here. Again, I'm going to surround it with bark chippings. So it's starting to come together now. Big mound of earth to get rid of, all that rubbish at the back, all these plants to get rid of. I have got rid of all the rubble and grass sods we dug up from around what was the veg patch, but coming together slowly. Patio looking nice, pots planted up, one there and we've got one there, so yeah, starting to slowly take shape. So our new planters are up on the wall now. I've shifted a mountain of earth down where the grass is, so now I'm just going to cut the grass, dig out an edge next to the wall, put a flower bed into the turf to put in the perennials. Looking nice. Job over the weekend was to put the outside socket in and 2 outdoor lights so I can sit and enjoy the patio. So it's just a case now of tidying up the lawn, give it a cut, dig down the side of the wall so you don't get moss, and dig in a new flower bed in the centre of the turf. So let's crack on. So that's all the grass cut. Didn't manage to get the edge done today, but managed to get the new planter in. So it's all looking nice now. And I've managed to shift all that soil. So we're just waiting now for the gravel and the nice shingle to go around the patio. in to finally look like a garden rather than a building site again. It's all done now, as you can see, around the edge. Change the lights, shingled plants, and we've also put pebble around the back of the greenhouse. Greenhouse is all ready now, tomatoes are in, cucumbers are in. And we've got the pebble around the planters, and I've put the plants in to the raised beds. It's all starting to take shape now. Looking really nice. And then you'll be able to sit and enjoy the evening sunshine over there. Coming together nicely now. This weekend's been a productive weekend. We've got the shingle around the patio, clock up on the wall, no excuse for not knowing what time it is. Lights are in situ, slate chippings and gravel all around the greenhouse and the flower beds. These are going to be used for vegetables. I actually put some flowers in for this year. Compost bin in situ and bird feeder back up, ready to feed the birds. Cut a channel down the side of the wall, put chippings in there, stop it from having lots of moss. Flower bed looking lovely in the centre. To top it off, wind spirit is back out again for this year. So as the evening sun sets, be able to sit on the patio, enjoying that with a drink or two. All coming together finally. It's just now the bottom patio that needs to be done. Have to crack on with that in the next weekend. Coming together really well there.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.